Episode 1. Echad, the Hebrew word that shatters the one God only argument. In the beginning of every Jewish prayer service, the most sacred declaration is recited. Shema Yisrael, Y-I-Twach Eloheinu, Y-H-W-H Echad. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. Deuteronomy 6:4. To many skeptics, this verse is a shield against the Trinity. They say, see, God is one. That proves Christians are wrong. But what if we told you that the very word one, Echad in Hebrew, is the very proof that God's oneness includes plurality? Let's break it down. 1. What does Echad actually mean? The Hebrew word Echad, Echad, means one, but not in the sense of numerical singularity. It's used to describe a unified whole made of multiple parts. Example 1, Genesis 2:24. The two shall become one, Echad, flesh. Here, husband and wife are two persons, yet described as one, a compound unity. Example 2, Exodus 26:6. The tent shall be one, Echad. This refers to many curtains joined together to become one structure, unified, yet not singular in quantity. So when Moses uses Echad in Deuteronomy 6:4, he isn't declaring an isolated, indivisible being. He's declaring a unified Godhead, one essence, not one person. 2. The mistaken word, Echad. Now here's the knockout blow to the one God only, no Trinity crowd. If Moses had meant an absolute numerical one, he would have used the Hebrew word Echad, Yahid, which means one and only, solitary, single. But he didn't. Why? Because God is not a solitary individual. He is unity in diversity. He is Elohim, plural, and yet Echad, one. 3. Trinity, hidden in the Shema. Let's insert that understanding back into Deuteronomy 6:4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord, Yahweh our God, Eloheinu, the Lord, Yahweh, is a united one, Echad. In Hebrew, Yahweh, the divine name used for the Father. Eloheinu, plural for our God, points to plurality within the Godhead. Echad, one unified being. Now combine that with the Greek New Testament, where the word theos, seos, is used for the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. All three are called God, and yet the Bible never contradicts the Shema. Why? Because they are not three gods, they are one Echad God. 4. Challenge to skeptics, pastors, and imams. If you claim the Shema disproves the Trinity, then answer this. Why did Moses use Echad, not Echad? Why is Elohim, a plural noun, used with singular verbs? Why does the New Testament apply theos to Father? John 6:27, Son, John 1, and Spirit, Acts chapter 5, 3-4. You cannot deny that the Shema, the very verse you use to reject the Trinity, actually demands it. Chapter 5. The divine signature of unity. The Trinity is not a contradiction. It's a completion of what was whispered in Hebrew and declared loudly in Greek. God is not one person. He is one being. Father, Son, and Spirit. Echad. In the next episode, we'll uncover the mystery of Elohim, a plural name for a singular God, and show how this further confirms the Trinity from the Old Testament itself.